Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Tesla on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frame. So the bulls have been very, very strong over the past 3 weeks. In my opinion, this chart strength is a lot of fundamental reason behind it, with Elon Musk, the CEO, being appointed to Trump's economic advisory team. But either way, we are seeing once that 50-day moving average resistance became support after 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, 5 rejections, it became support, and the bulls have not really looked back since then. Just higher lows and higher highs. Not really confirming any bearish reversal candlesticks. We've had a few to look at, but no confirmation. We had a very clear bearish reversal inverted hammer Thursday. We saw a little quick dip at the start of the day. Bulls bought that dip and did not confirm that candlestick. And then we see huge continuation with lots of strength heading into next week. What stands out the most for me is volume. Volume was minuscule across the entire market on Friday, not for Tesla. The bulls were here and they were playing. So we've got the 200-day moving average resistance of 214.56, and we're looking back at these previous highs, 213.70 and 215.67. We are on the verge of the weekly time frame of a potential trend change, and that would be a break of the lower high pattern. We see this high of 269, and we've got lower highs, 240, 236, 215.67. So that's the level for me. You can see the 50-week moving average. We rejected from it twice. Bulls blowing right through that level. Bullish MACD cross. Bullish TCG cross of the 4-period, crossing the 8-period exponential moving average to the upside. And it's just been 3 straight weeks of all bullish action. And you can see we're closing at the high of the week each week, indicating continuation. If we break and close above 215.67, that will be significant, and we'll be looking up at 236. So that would be the next move to the upside. We have the 100-week moving average resistance mixed in there as well. But it would be a clear break of this lower high pattern. And we have had Tesla on the resident bear list once we started setting these lower lows back here by breaking support at the 190, 189 range. But this is going to take Tesla off of the resident bear list if we do break this lower high pattern and see this strength continue. So let's zoom out a little bit more and see what the past 2 years for Tesla has been like. And it's been a clear lower high pattern. There's a couple downtrend resistance lines to be watching, and we did break one of them on this bullish week, this past week. And it was this resistance line right there. You can see a clear break hitting those lower highs. There is another resistance line we can be drawing from back here, and that resistance still stands. We have a ways to go before we hit it, but it's hitting the longer term lower highs that we saw. So overall, bulls making a very successful break and looking like this momentum is going to continue into next week. And we'll see if the bulls can break 215.67 and break that weekly lower high pattern. Looking on the 5-minute time frame, the strength was apparent right out of the gate. We turned all 5-minute moving averages into support and then saw increasing bull volume. And then from there, it was just higher lows and higher highs all day, with one final push at the end of the day showing a lot of strength. Look at this 20-period moving average holding as support after we hit noon. We bounced off of it, 3 candlesticks there, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candlesticks before that strong close at the end of the day. So nice riding that 20-period moving average support up. The hourly RSI is a little overbought here in the mid to upper 70s. So if we consolidate, as long as we hold the 20-period hourly, the bulls are in full control of this hourly uptrend. That's all the way down at 210.64. It will be in the low 211s by the time we open on Tuesday. So bulls in full control. The question is, how high can they run? And if this kind of volume and lack of confirming bearish reversal candlesticks keeps up, the bulls will continue to run very strong. So I appreciate you watching. Happy holidays to you and your family, and we'll see you soon.